Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's WarriorPlus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live here in my all-time in my WarriorPlus members area since I joined WarriorPlus. And concerned here with these three columns, you can have a little look and show you the updated results. So in the commission column down here, you'll see that I've now earned $17,920.67. Product sales in the next column across are now at $35,000 and $35,064. And on the left hand side in this column here, you'll see that I've sold 3,774 products. A bit later on the video, I'm going to show you how you can really boost this number up by promoting one link and making multiple sales and earning multiple commissions. So we'll just remove that. We're going to come back and revisit this page a bit later on and show you some more proof. So more importantly in this video, if you want some more information, there's joining links in the description. Oops, let's just slide that down there again. Let's start again. So if you'd like some more information, or if you'd like to get started, you can get started for $5. There's joining links in the description. And that's how I started my WarriorPlus journey with a $5 product called the Click Engine. Now, there's several reasons why this works. And one of those is that these products are in an evergreen niche. And if you're not familiar with that term, what that means is that these products, an evergreen niche means that they're in demand, but they'll always be in demand. And that's because they're traffic products. And everyone needs traffic to succeed online. So I always recommend that you spend a percentage of your promotion to not only get your traffic for free, but also potentially get into profit with the traffic that you personally use in yourself. These are buyers traffic products, and buyers traffic is the best traffic that you can promote your offer with, because research shows that buyers buy over and over again, and they're really serious about scaling up and building their online income. And they're also autopilot buyers traffic. So the great thing about it is, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job and you're also busy with your family and your friends and your hobbies, you can automate your traffic with these offers. So once you set it up and you put your lead capture page into the system, it just runs in the background for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, generating leads and potentially commissions, even while you're asleep. One of the superb features of these WarriorPlus offers is that you can earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to $850. And I put here that there's no need to buy. Now what that means is you don't have to buy the high ticket product. Just excuse my dog in the background there making noises. She's just had an operation today, so she's crying a little bit. So you don't need to buy the high ticket products to be able to earn the high ticket affiliate commissions. And that really is one of these great features. I'll just show you a bit later on in the video exactly how that works. With these products and this system, you're going to be building your own buyers list. And that's the best asset that you can have online, because you can then promote other offers to buyers on your list. So when you put your lead capture page into the traffic systems, then you're already promoting to members that have already bought a product. So when they opt into your lead capture page, you'll be building your own buyers list. So it's another great feature of the system. We want to teach you how to get in profit and stay in profit and join the 3% who succeed online with these products and systems, because unfortunately 97% of people fail within their first year because they don't maybe they don't understand how the systems work. They haven't been shown the correct systems. They get into debt by spending too much money. We want to teach you how to get started with low ticket affiliate marketing at $5, and also using free tools and done for you systems to help you succeed. And then on top of that, you can also earn additional income streams with the free tools and systems that our team personally uses. Show you some real proof a bit later on, some real income proof that's achievable as well. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims. I'm not making any product claims or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. Let's have a look now at some of the reasons why this works. So we're back in our members area here with WarriorPlus. Now, down the right-hand side in the commission column, you'll see a circular arrow here that says recurring payment number 24. Now, what that means is that this member, these are all, well, the majority of these are monthly membership subscriptions. So I pay my monthly membership, and you'll see here that this member has been paying for 24 months in a row. So you can potentially get a high retention of memberships, of affiliates paying their monthly membership. Another one here has been paying for 26 months in a row. Now, when you see any gaps where there's no circular arrow, then these are new members that are joining. And you've got another one here, 31 months in a row. So that's 2.5 years. This one here has been paying 6 months in a row. This one here for over 2 years. These are all new ones coming in here. And all these circular arrows here, 21 months, 9 months, 34. So the key thing with affiliate marketing, and what I highly recommend, is that you promote products with a membership subscription, because when you get happy members, these members are really happy because they're getting good quality traffic, but a lot of them are also becoming affiliates like myself, and they're not only getting the traffic for free, they're getting into profit as well. So that's the key thing, high retention and promoting a product of value and having happy referrals that are going to continue to enjoy the service and the affiliate program long term. Let's have a look now at the affiliate program. So this is a good example here. I mentioned earlier about promoting one link and earning multiple income streams. This is a product here called the All New Click Generator by Autopilot Bias Traffic System. So what will happen, I'll just get the pencil out again and show you this. So if you look in the top left-hand corner here, when you become a member, you're going to get your affiliate link here. Now, all these products in this column here are all built into this system for you. You don't have to do anything. They're all built into this system for you. And then this is the commission column here on the right-hand side. So if any of your referrals buy any of these products here and they upgrade, you will earn these commissions in the right-hand column. You'll see there's one here for $600. There's one here for $850 that I mentioned earlier. So let's say as an example, if somebody bought the additional slot here, you'd be paying $5. you don't upgrade, but your referral wants to put more traffic into the system, you would earn an extra $17.50 commission. Now that is a recurring commission. This circular arrow here is a recurring monthly. So you can see the potential. There's traffic products, there's training products. But the key thing here is that you don't have to upgrade. If you wish to do so, you might want to buy some of these traffic clicks here. You might want the additional URL slot here. So there's lots of great products here that Frank and John they've been selling traffic for over 20 years. But the key thing is promote one link and then potentially earn multiple income streams. Let me show you our free team systems that I mentioned earlier now. So what we've got is, this is an example of the click engine, complete click engine success system. Oops. And you'll see this works. If I go back over here, you'll see a new click engine member came in here on the 6th of January. This is a new member here, no circular arrow, just a brand new member coming in. And is there another one here? They're circular arrows. Okay. So we've set up these systems for you. These are our team systems. They're totally free. Doesn't cost you anything to set up or anything to join, but we use these systems so you can promote one link and then earn multiple income streams with these systems. So we do all the selling and telling for you. So this page will be completely cloned to you. And to set it up, all you do is watch these videos here. These are video tutorials that we've set up for you. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you want to set these systems up, then you watch these tutorials here. It just teaches you step by step how to completely clone these pages. So you don't have to do any videos. We do all the telling, we do all the explaining and all the converting and proof videos for you. All you've got to do is put your affiliate links into these buttons here, and then you're going to get the referrals and the commissions when you promote this system. So it's worth taking your time to set these systems up, because then you can promote one link and then multiple income streams. Now all you do, you join Leads Leap here. I'll show you how easy it is. Click here and you join Leads Leap. And this is Leads Leap is the platform that these systems are set up on. So you're going to get a free lifetime membership with Leads Leap. You don't have to ever upgrade if you don't want to do. Completely free. And you're going to get all this traffic here and all these tools to make money online. So you just set your account up here. Username, genuine email address, first name, password, and sign up. And that's your free lifetime membership. Now, what happens? So you'll put your affiliate link into here, and then when your referrals upgrade, even as a free member, and to show you some proof of the potential, you can earn monthly recurring commissions, profitable with Leads Leap. So you'll see my total income from Leads Leap is now at $3,525.95. Now I'll show you the pro versus free, show you how to get commissions as a free member. So we'll go on the left hand column here, forever free, not a trial. Now when you come down here, it says affiliate commissions. You will earn 25% recurring commissions when your direct referrals upgrade to pro. So even as a free member, when your referrals upgrade, you can earn profitable passive income. That's a monthly recurring commission that you're going to get every single month. So that's how I've earned those $3,525. I did start out for free myself. I promoted Lead Sleep, set systems up, and then when referrals upgraded, then what I did, I upgraded myself to the pro account and then get 50% recurring commission. So if it's within your budget to go pro straight away, then that's great. And then you'll get 50% recurring commissions. But if it's not within your budget, start with the free plan and then start to earn some of these 25% recurring commissions with the systems that we give you totally for free. Now, also on this page here, this page is a multiple income stream page. What we do is we give you some free traffic sources so you can start promoting the click engine straight away. All of these are free to join and you'll get free credits when you join. But the beauty of this is that if any of your referrals, you put your affiliate links into here, and if any of your referrals upgrade and you're still a free member, you will also earn affiliate commissions. So you can be totally free, and then this page is then turned into a 7 income stream page for you. And that's why it's worth your time setting these systems up. And people do, I sometimes get emails and people say to me, is it worth my time setting these systems up? Do people upgrade? I'll just give you an example here of the proactive mailer. So if you go onto my YouTube channel and you look under my proactive mailer playlist, you'll see these $1,117. That's in affiliate commissions from referrals upgrading. So people do upgrade. People want to promote to a larger audience. They want to promote more frequently. So I recommend yourself starting for free. When you get some commissions coming in, reinvest a percentage and upgrade. And that way you can start to reach a larger audience. And that's the key thing with affiliate marketing, is building your audience. So these are all the systems we have. We give you everything that we're personally using in our team to help you succeed with these products, with the traffic and with the systems. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new uploads. So I'm currently doing several new uploads every week here on the channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And I always have my email address in the description. So if you'd like to send me an email, then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.